Good day, everybody. Welcome back. It's always good to be back. My name is David. I'm from Laduma Hardware in Mpumalanga. We have branches all over Mpumalanga and the Limpopo Province. As I promised you before, when we did the installation of the Basin mixer onto the Basin, but I failed to show you how it looks actually when you actually did the fastening fixations at the back. Quite simple. This is where you tie, you lock it when you're sure that everything is in line and straight as it needs to be. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is to 30 waist fitting. That's a 32mm unslotted waist. Unslotted means there's no overflow in the basin. Now, this one comes with a white, flat, rubberish type of washer that seals it. I'm from old school. I still prefer the steel putty that you package here and then you fasten in the back and it will never ever leak. This will serve the same purpose, I'm sure, because the plumbers wouldn't necessarily have putty with them all the time. Okay, we start by sliding it in, and it comes with a black washer. One side is ripped, the other side is smooth. Now, put the ripped side against the basin. That's now to prevent it from moving around when you fasten it. And secondly, to seal properly. What I'm doing now is I'm just turning in this nut. I could never understand why they would make a 40mm waist fitting as the one you would use for your bath or your zinc, making it short as possible. For some reason, I never thought of making the 32mm waist fitting as the one I'm using now to be shortened too, because now you have this very not so nice looking piece of plastic sticking out, especially when you want to install this very nice looking CP bottle trap. Now before I install it, I need to show you. Maintenance. It's got to be by a basin where you wash your hair, you brush your tooth, you shave, whatever. You need to clean that, because this now serves as, call it a grease trap. The solid stuff will actually stay behind and the cleaner water grey water will move out. All you need to do, unscrew this little white basket, clean it out, rinse it out, and put it back. Now it's very handy when maybe the ladies and other people that would wear an earring or so, a nose ring, that it will fall off. Normal installation with the rubber trap, you will probably never see it again. Now being heavy as water, this tiny little thing will actually fall and stay behind in that little white cup. Okay, that's your maintenance. Don't need to do it every day, every week, but you can check it every month. Okay, there's always some soapy residue or hair that will cause the system to block. Okay, now what we're going to do is, now this thing, if you buy it, this bottle trap comes 32 and 40mm. Now there's no reason at all why you would install this in your zinc, because it's hidden away behind the cupboard. They do not make a CP combination, but you can install it if you have a urinal in your house where the fitting is also 40mm. It's just convenience to buy one where there's an option of two. Okay, first step, we have this little washer. See, got a little rip outside and small on the inside. It goes there. then you simply turn that in. Now you may, that's your own choice, decide to cut this a bit shorter. Okay. For, it's too much sticking out, which is not enough, especially when you spend some money on a nice CP bottle trap, such as this. Okay, beautiful. Now, the application would be, this now would go through your wall, for example, or maybe have a different type of connection depending on your installation by your plumber, whether it's going down in the floor or straight through the wall. As easy as that. Once we did the assembling of the little cover that goes underneath, there's something else I would like you to see. An upgrade of what we have here. Upgrade of this normal old-fashioned plug and chain. Lately they don't make a little screw where you tie your plug chain to. All you can do is by removing it by hand or whatever. Now there's a solution to this. We call it the pop-up waist, where you do it with the finger, but that will be on a short video in the not so distant future. So thank you for joining me again. I hope this was good enough for you, and please respond by share, join, whichever way you would like to make contact with us. There's always someone that will talk to you. Now, be safe, be careful, be aware. Until next time.